Yeah, man. This is for the mother we fight every storm. The queen who carry cheese colors. The woman we raise a journalist for the world stage. Respect and honor. Always.
Start from little, just a single mama all the line. I'm struggling on the pocket, but my spirit's still divine. Look on my son with hope hiding in my palm. I'm telling one school to pick me a bond for be strong.
Night after night, me pray and wipe the tear. Forgive him books, give him chance, push him out of fear. Me work with faith. When the money never come, but me ask them, mama, hold on, your son not done.
Got me a mother of a giant. Me raise the voice of Jamaica, brilliant and defiant. From Kingston shine to London classroom light. My sun spread truth like sunshine bright. Oh, me a mother of a giant. The badge wear worldwide. The journey triumphant.
See him now, award-winning journalist, so tired. Me watch him fly, I door. The road was hard. Him teach at the school of economics in a London town. Still love me with him roots, still Jamaican crown. Last summer he meant Oxford. Me nearly cried tears, teacher, doctor, scholar. Me son for years when the governor general called me name for VIP. Me stand tall like Cedar, said that I'm not there for me.
Come me a mother of a giant. Me fight the storm and rise triumphant. From no lunch money to university stage. The sun bust big like a lion out of cage. Yeah. Mother of a giant. They come and near me in every continent. Them never know the tears where water me floor. Them never see the nights me beg God for more.
But now me three children educated and strong. Criminal justice master, biology queen, the lineage long. My mother beat like drum in a Zion. Me race colors, warriors, lion, pan lion.
Me step in a king's house with grace and I'm a striker. Every sacrifice me make, God multiply. Yeah. Me a mother of a giant. Live up legacy bigger than the island. From struggle to glory, from pain to gold. The story of my family must be told. Mother of a giant. The crown glow bright, my spirit vibrant.
To every mother who pushed through the storm, know say greatness grow from your love. The story of proof. A Jamaican womb can raise the world.